My name is Dr. Asima Deborah. I come from Katuna border, Kawale district. I'm happy with Iwoge. Once it came to visit us, it gave us much information about women and girls project. And we are very happy to hear on that group because it encouraged us very much to develop ourselves. Some of us, we never knew how to carry on our business or how to develop, but now we are experts. Now we are on TOT, the Kampala workshop, Yoga, Women's and Girls Empowerment Project, which has also encouraged us and given us more methods of keeping our records, bookkeeping accounts in our business, and how we can develop ourselves through farming and any other activities. And also we have run many things like cake making, liquid soap making, bar soap making, and many other things. So we are very interested in this organization, and we are very happy with it because they have helped us very much. So I thank them very much, and I keep them encouraging. I request them to keep encouraging us in whatever we are doing so that we can develop ourselves for better standards of living. That's all.